Internal validity looks at the dependent variable and the changes made to that variable from the independent variable. If the dependent variable changed because of the independent variable, then it is considered internal validity. If the change of the dependent variable is caused by something else, either an outside source or an unknown variable that is not part of the experiment, then it would not be considered internal validity. When looking at internal validity and threats to internal validity, we can talk about confounding. Confounding is having more than one possible independent variable acting at the same time. By having more than one variable, there is going to be a threat to internal validity. When performing an experiment, you want to find out the cause and effect. The independent variable is what causes the dependent variable to change. So by confounding, having two independent variables, it can be a threat to the outcome of the results, because you wouldn't know which independent variable caused the dependent variable to change. By having just one independent variable, that will eliminate the threat to internal validity. Here is a picture that helps visualize what confounding is. In this case, the picture is testing the exposure to get an outcome. Let's say, for example, we're trying to figure out where individuals contract the flu. The exposure to the flu is the independent variable, and the outcome or result is going to be the dependent variable. Now we throw in the confounder, which is another independent variable. Let's say the added independent variable is individuals that have children. By adding the confounder, it can potentially change the outcome or results of the experiment. Since children carry a lot of illnesses without them actually getting sick, they could potentially bring the flu home from school, but the parent also has a job where the flu can also spread. By having the confounder added to the experiment, it will be hard to distinguish if the parent contracted the flu from their child or from the workplace. That is an example of a threat to internal validity.